In this Apple Calendar tutorial, we are going to solve a huge problem for anyone who lives in both the Google and Apple worlds. We're going to show you how to convert your Google Calendar to your Apple Calendar so you can see all your events in one place. You have an iPhone or a Mac, and you love the clean look of the built-in Apple Calendar. But there's a problem. Your work, your family, and your entire schedule are all locked inside Google Calendar. You're tired of switching between two different apps. Probably wondered how you can convert your Google Calendar to your Apple Calendar. This can mean two very different things. First, it can mean syncing your calendars, so all your Google events show up live in the Apple Calendar app. This is the most common and easiest method. Second, convert can mean a permanent one-time migration, where you move all your events from Google servers to Apple's iCloud servers and stop using Google Calendar for good. I'm your host, and in this complete guide, I'll show you how to do both. We'll start with the simple sync, which is what most people want, and then we'll cover the permanent migration for those who want a fresh start on iCloud. This first method is the one I recommend for 99% of people. It doesn't move or delete anything. It simply connects your Google account to your iPhone or Mac, so all your events appear inside the Apple Calendar app. It's the best of both worlds. Let's start with how to sync Google Calendar on your iPhone or iPad. First, you'll go to your main Settings app. From there, you'll need to scroll down until you find the apps and tap it. Find the Calendar option now. Tap on that. Inside the Calendar settings, you'll tap on Calendar Accounts. Here you'll see a list of accounts already on your phone. Tap on Add Account and then select Google from the list. Your iPhone will then ask you to sign into your Google account. Go ahead and enter your email and password securely. Once you're signed in, you'll see a screen with a few toggles for mail, contacts, calendars, and notes. The most important one, of course, is calendars. Make sure that toggle is switched on and is green. Then just tap Save. And that's it. Now, when you open the native Apple Calendar app, all your Google Calendar events will be there. It might take a minute or two to sync for the first time. The best part is that this is a live sync. If you add an event in the Apple Calendar, it will sync to Google. If someone invites you to an event on Google, it will appear right here. On a Mac computer, the process is just as simple. You'll go to System Settings, then find Internet Accounts. Click Add Account, choose Google, and sign in. Just make sure the Calendars checkbox is ticked, and you're all set. Now let's talk about the second, more permanent method. This is for those who want to completely convert Google Calendar to Apple Calendar and stop using the Google service. This is a true migration from Google to iCloud. You must do this on a computer, as it involves downloading and uploading files. First, you need to export your events from Google. Open a web browser on your computer and go to calendar.google.com. Sign in, and then find the Settings gear icon in the top right corner and click on Settings. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Import and Export. This will bring you to a new page. Click the Export button. Google will then gather all your calendars and download a single .zip file to your computer. Once that file is downloaded, find it and unzip it. Inside, you'll see a separate .ics file for each of your calendars. And .ics file is just a universal calendar file. Now for the second half, importing these files into Apple's Calendar. Open the Calendar app. Before you import, here's a crucial tip. I recommend creating a new, temporary calendar on iCloud for each file you're importing. This keeps everything organized. To do this, click the File option from the top, and then click on New Calendar, and give it a name, like Google Work Import. Now, just click and drag the ICS file from the Finder to the calendar you created. After a few minutes, All your past and future Google events will be copied into your iCloud account. They are now permanent Apple Calendar events and are no longer connected to Google in any way. You have successfully converted your calendar. Now, you can also merge multiple calendars by moving one calendar to another by dragging one over another. So, we've reached the end. We've covered the two main ways to get your Google Calendar events into your Apple Calendar. First, we covered the simple sync, which is perfect for most people who just want to see and manage their live Google schedule inside the beautiful Apple Calendar app. Second, we covered the permanent migration, a true conversion for those who are ready to move from Google to iCloud completely. For most people, the simple sync is the right choice. But now you know how to do both. I truly hope this guide helped you solve this very common problem. If it did, please give this video a like. It's a simple gesture that helps the channel and lets me know you found this valuable. And if you're interested in more guides on how to make your Apple and Google products work together, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment and tell me, which method were you really looking for? Are you just trying to sync your calendars, or are you performing the full permanent conversion to iCloud? I'm curious to know. Thank you for watching.